Hey, welcome back. So, did you survive part 1? Or are you still dreaming about scrambled eggs and missing suitcases? Well, buckle up, because part 2 is even better. Today, John and Anna are back, and they're going shopping, catching the bus, eating cake, exchanging money, and even talking about allergies. Yup, this is real-life English you can actually use. At stores, at the station, at breakfast. Anywhere. And don't worry, I'm still here, your friendly English coach, ready to break things down, explain everything, and cheer you on. So, ready for more? Let's go. First stop, shopping for a birthday gift.
Hello, do you work here?
Yes, I do. Can I help you?
I'm looking for a gift for my sister. It's her birthday.
Ah, how nice. What does she like?
She likes simple and beautiful things.
How about a scented candle? We have lavender, vanilla, and orange.
Oh, the vanilla smells really nice. Can I try it?
Of course. Here you go.
I like that. How much is it?
$12.
Great, I'll take it. Do you have anything else small?
This bracelet is silver and very simple. $20.
Perfect, I'll take that too.
Would you like it gift wrapped?
Yes, please.
No problem. Are you paying by card or cash?
By card.
Just tap here. All done.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Happy birthday to your sister.
A birthday gift mission. Completed. Let's go over the useful shopping phrases from this scene. I'm looking for a gift. A simple way to say what you want. How much is it? Always useful when buying anything. I'll take it when you decide to buy something. Gift wrap. This means, can you wrap it nicely like a present? Are you paying by card or cash? Very common question at the counter. Just tap here if you're using a card with contactless payment. Now repeat with me. I'm looking for a gift. How much is it? I'll take it. Can you gift wrap it? Are you paying by card or cash? Just tap here. Nice. Now you're ready to shop like a pro and make your sister happy.
Excuse me, which bus goes to Central Park?
That would be bus number 12. It stops right at the entrance.
Great. Does it come often?
Every 15 minutes. The next one should be here soon.
Perfect. Is it far from here?
Not really, about 10 minutes by bus.
And can I pay on the bus?
Yes, but you need exact change.
Good, I have coins.
Then you're all set. Enjoy the park.
Thank you.
Asking about the bus might sound simple, but it's super useful when you're in a new city. Let's look at what Anna said and what you can say too. Which bus goes to the park? Great question when you're not sure where to go. Does it come often? Ask this if you don't want to wait too long. How long does it take? You can add this too to check the time. Exact change. This means you need the right amount of money. No coins back. You're all set. This means you're ready. You've got everything you need. Now repeat with me. Which bus goes to the park? Does it come often? How long does it take? Do I need exact change? You're all set. Awesome. You're now ready to catch any bus and maybe spot a duck or two at the park.
Good morning. I'd like breakfast, but I have a milk allergy.
Thanks for letting me know. We'll find something for you.
I can't have butter, cheese, or yogurt.
No problem. We have whole wheat bread with no milk, fresh fruit, and jam.
Is the jam okay?
Yes, just fruit and sugar.
Great. Do you have any plant-based milk?
Yes, we have almond milk. Would you like some for your tea?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Would you like to sit by the window?
Yes, thank you. The view is beautiful.
Enjoy your breakfast, and let us know if you need anything tomorrow. We'll prepare something special.
That's so kind. Thank you.
Food allergies are no joke. But don't worry, your English can protect you. Let's review the phrases Anna used at breakfast to stay safe and healthy. I have a milk allergy. This tells people, no milk for me. I can't eat butter, cheese, or yogurt. Be clear about what's not okay. Do you have anything without milk? A super useful question in restaurants or hotels. Is this milk-free? Ask this to be sure. Do you have plant-based milk? Like almond, soy, or oat milk? That's very kind of you. A polite and friendly way to say thanks. Now repeat with me. I have a milk allergy. I can't eat butter, cheese, or yogurt. Do you have anything without milk? Is this milk-free? Do you have plant-based milk? That's very kind of you. Great job! Now you can enjoy breakfast safely and politely.
Hello, I'd like to exchange some money.
Sure, what currency do you have?
I have euros and I need US dollars.
Okay, how much would you like to exchange?
200 euros.
All right, with today's rate and a $5 fee, you'll get around $210.
That's fine.
Would you like small or large bills?
20s would be great.
Here you go. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here it is. Is this your first time in the U.S.?
Yes, I just arrived yesterday.
Well, welcome. Enjoy your stay in New York.
Thank you so much. You've been very helpful.
Time to talk about money. Because yes, English is useful even when you're holding euros and need dollars. Let's check out some useful phrases you can use when exchanging currency. I'd like to exchange some money. This is how you start. Very clear. What currency do you have? Currency means money type, like euros or dollars. How much would you like to exchange? A common question from the staff. There's a $5 fee. The small extra cost for the service. Would you like small or large bills? You can ask for 20s, 10s, or a mix. Would you like a receipt? Always useful to keep track. Now repeat with me. I'd like to exchange some money. What currency do you have? How much would you like to exchange? Is there a fee? Can I get $20 bills? Yes, I'd like a receipt. Nice work. With this English, your wallet will be ready for anything. Even Times Square shopping.
Hi, can I have the check, please?
Of course, that's $12.
I'll pay with card.
Okay, please insert your card here. It's not working. Try again.
Still nothing. Maybe the machine is the problem.
Do you have any cash?
Only $5. Is there an ATM nearby?
Yes, just around the corner, 2 minutes walk.
Great! I'll be right back! Okay, I have the cash now.
Perfect. Here's your receipt. Did you enjoy the meal?
Yes, especially the chocolate cake.
Ah, that's our specialty.
I'll definitely come back.
We'd love that. Have a nice day.
You too!
Oh no, the card didn't work. No worries, that's real life. Let's go over the useful phrases from this scene. Can I have the check, please? This is how you ask to pay at a restaurant. Very polite, very common. Insert your card. This means put your card into the machine. It's not working. Something is wrong. The card machine is broken, or maybe your card. Do you have any cash? A very useful question in case the card doesn't work. Is there an ATM nearby? This means, is there a place close where I can get money? I'll be right back. A nice way to say, I'm going out quickly, but I'll return soon. And at the end, always a friendly question. Did you enjoy your meal? Easy small talk and great to practice. Now repeat with me. Can I have the check, please? Insert your card. It's not working. Do you have any cash? Is there an ATM nearby? I'll be right back. Did you enjoy the meal? With these phrases, you'll never get stuck at the table. And you'll always get your cake.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, please, go ahead.
Thanks. Are you also going to Washington, D.C.?
Yes, same train.
It's my first time there.
You'll love it. Great museums and good food, too.
Nice. Are you from there?
No, just visiting friends.
Same here. I'm visiting family.
Long ride, though. Almost 3 hours.
Yes, I brought a book for the trip.
Good idea. I brought snacks.
Smart man.
Enjoy the view. The train goes along the river later.
Perfect, thanks.
Have a good trip.
You too.
Nothing like a long train ride and a friendly chat to practice your English. Let's go over the simple but useful phrases Anna used while traveling. Is this seat taken? A very polite way to ask if you can sit down. Are you also going to? Great question to start a conversation. It's my first time there. Simple way to share your experience. I'm visiting family. You can also say I'm visiting friends or I'm on vacation. That's a long ride. Use this when the trip is more than 1 to 2 hours. Enjoy the view. A friendly thing to say on a beautiful road. Now repeat with me. Is this seat taken? Are you also going to Washington, D.C.? It's my first time there. I'm visiting family. That's a long ride. Enjoy the view. Well done. Now you can ride any train and make a new friend along the way. Whoa, you made it. Part 2 complete. Today, you learned English for real-life situations. Shopping, taking the bus, ordering allergy-friendly breakfast, exchanging money, paying at a restaurant, and chatting on a train. That's a lot of useful English in just one video. Let's do a quick review. Here are your power phrases today. How much is it? I'll take it. Can you gift wrap it? Which bus goes to the park? Do I need exact change? I have a milk allergy. Is this milk free? Do you have plant-based milk? I'd like to exchange some money. Is there a fee? I'd like a receipt. Can I have the check, please? Is there an ATM nearby? Is this seat taken? That's a long ride. Enjoy the view. Now it's your turn. Leave a comment below and tell me, which phrase will you use first in real life? Or better yet, try using 3 new phrases in your own sentence. Write it out. I'll read them all. And of course, don't forget to give that like button a little love. Subscribe so you never miss a new episode. And share this video with your travel buddy, your classmate, or even your cat. Remember, English gets easier, one phrase at a time. And you've just added a whole bunch to your toolkit. Thanks for learning with me today. See you in the next video.